Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to generate UI UX interfaces for your web or your mobile application. So, are you a web developer, a mobile app developer, a UI UX designer, or do you have any project in mind but you are overwhelmed on how to get started? Don't worry, I'll guide you through. Let's head over to our Chrome browser and let's search for Stitch with Google AI in the address bar. We are then redirected to our AI agent. Now we are presented with an input box. We have to feed this input box with created prompts in order to generate the UI UX designs. Per our tutorial, we will be designing a blog website. So having selected my created prompts, we click on generate designs. Okay, so after waiting a few seconds, we realize our AI agent has generated three interfaces for our blog website. The first interface is the home page. The second interface is the detailed blog page. And the last interface is the contact us page. We can even go a step further to modify our prompt to suit our specifications. Another interesting feature this AI agent presents is you are able to convert your UI UX designs into code or a Figma design. So watch how we do it. So you click on edit and then we click on code. We now see the UI UX designs generated in code. Now I'll teach you how to run this on your local PC. So open a Visual Studio Code on your PC and then let's create a new file named index.html. We then copy this HTML source codes and then we paste in the file we have created. Now run this file in your web browser. We now see the website displayed on our web browser. Currently, this runs on our local PC. Further, I'll teach you how to deploy this on the internet, so anyone over the world will be able to see the website you have created. So this is the simple way by which you can create UI UX designs using AI. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more interesting content. Thank you.